Is your Ford Edge key fob not working? The most common causes are a dead battery or the fob needing to be relearned by the vehicle. The most common causes are a dead battery or the fob needing to be relearned by the vehicle. First, replace the CR2032 battery. It costs about $5 to $10. Pry open the fob carefully with a flat tool, noting the battery's polarity. After replacement, test the fob from about 10 to 15 feet away. If it still doesn't work, you'll need to relearn or reprogram the fob. For 2011 to 2018 models, cycle the ignition from off to on and back to off twice, ending in the off position. Press the brake pedal, then hold the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for 5 to 10 seconds. For 2019 and newer models, refer to your owner's manual or use the Ford Pass app for specific instructions. Remember, success rates are around 85% if the RFA module is functioning correctly. If the relearn procedure doesn't work, the issue might be with the RFA module or a deeper software problem. Try resetting the RFA module by disconnecting the vehicle's battery for 10 to 15 minutes to allow the module to reboot. Ensure the battery terminals do not touch anything during this period. If this still doesn't solve the problem, the RFA module itself may need replacement, which can cost $200 to $400 at a dealership. Corrosion, especially in older models, 2007 to 2010, or humid climates, can lead to module failure. Also, consider the increasing adoption of digital keys through the Ford Pass app. If available for your model, this could be an alternative solution. Finally, be aware of potential software glitches and check for any available updates for your vehicle's body control module (BCM) via Ford dealership.